My video is about removing the unwanted browser extension, which is called Playless Videos. Playless Videos is the name of this extension. The developers of the extension indicate that it is an extension that automatically uses the skip ad option on YouTube videos, supposedly to help you in skipping ads without watching them. But the trouble with this particular extension called Playless Videos is that the extension actually operates as adware. Once installed, it starts showing the great portion of advertisements not related to the sites that you visit. Playless Videos adware is extremely dangerous. The ads by this extension are also dangerous because they may point you to many shady and deceptive pages. So if it was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome, access the menu, More Tools, Extensions, then disable and remove this extension from your computer. In order to make sure that your system is free of other threats, I would strongly advise that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and start researching and investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.